This is a picture book poem entitled Blizzard. It was written by Carole Gerber. The illustrations were done by Marty Husted. Carole Gerber and Marty Husted both did university studies in Columbus, Ohio. Carole Gerber went to Ohio State, and she has a website with her own name, carolegerber.com. Marty Husted is a painter who's also done children's illustrations for young readers' books. And she has her own website also, martyhusted.com. They're both easy to find. Outside, the ground is cold and white. Inside, my home is warm and bright. Outside, a snowstorm swirls and blows. Inside, the fireplace toasts my toes. Outside, the snow is piling up. Inside, hot cocoa fills my cup. Outside, the snow surrounds a tree. Inside, a soft quilt covers me. Outside, white drifts are everywhere. Inside, I snuggle in a chair. Outside, the wind slows, then grows still. Inside, I climb up on the sill. Outside, I see it's gray and white. A snowy blanket wraps the night. Stars gleam bright in a vast, dark sky. The moon's round face drifts slowly by. Inside, I rinse my cocoa cup. I take my quilt and fold it up. Then I put on my winter boots, my scarf, my mittens, my snowsuit. Outside, I lean back toward the snow, stretch out my arms, and down I go. I flap my arms, jump up, and then admire my silent, snowy friend. Inside, I change and wrap up tight. Outside, my angel sleeps. Good night. The end. A rhyming poem about winter made into a book. This has been Blizzard by the author Carole Gerber, illustrated by Marty Husted.